And here the goal is to protect the passion fruit as the main culture.
Okay.
So we need to plant things that grow fast, that are wind resistant or dry resistant, and like the trees that they have chosen there for the living fence. But like Anita was saying, why not finding or trying to find those trees that gives us fruit as well? And we chose, you know the name, you know,
Guava.
Guava.
So this is, they call it feijoa. It's a pineapple guava to us.
Yes. So in the future, in 5 years, we are going to see feijoa that has beautiful flower that is tasty as well. Or you don't eat the flower and you eat later the fruit that is very good as well. So you can choose. And you are going to have fruit trees working as a living fence and protecting the passion fruit for the passion fruit on the left and on the right. Above them we are going to have, because feijoa will grow until here, is the medium protection, so the medium barrier basically. And we need the upper barrier that is going to be eucalyptus, that is going to be over there. The goal is to protect the passion fruits, so let's try to find plants that do that as fast as we can. Eucalyptus is going to be the upper layer, the medium layer, and the under layer is going to be like forever sunflower, the sunflower that never dies. Basically, yes, that gives a really beautiful flower and the bees love it, and we can use as biomass when we prune them as well. So in the same place you have a banana that loves water and nutrients. You have eucalyptus, the same thing, the corn and the tomato. The thing is, you can grow them all together because they don't mess around, because one grows fast and then goes away and the next one takes the space that the other one leaves. So you play with the time. We want banana as a crop that is going to feed us.
Right.
But we have to think in a crop that is going to feed banana.
Right.
And put it in the same place. So to feed the banana, as I said, we can buy from the outside compost, or to feed the banana, we can put in eucalyptus in a multi-function way. So eucalyptus is going to help us protecting the passion fruit in the winter. But then we are going to prune eucalyptus that is going to feed the banana. We used to think on crops to feed us, but we forget to feed the crops that is going to feed us. So, and we have to find plants that go along with each other. It's like a marriage.
So we're in the process right now of converting this farm into an agroforestry project and into a luxury farm retreat. We will welcome you to come and visit us at Viva Quinta.